Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Jet Gdp v2. 1 installed, API key ready, and 8 GB RAM available. Once done, create your project folder and drop a minimal config. JSON file that lists the API key, region, and compute mode. Make sure to enable GPU mode if you have a supported card. It speeds processing drastically. Then open the CLI and run Jet init within the folder. This generates environment files and links the local workspace to the Jet GDP runtime so you can proceed. Next, you configure jobs and execute them. Open job. YAML and specify input paths, batch size, timeouts, and retry policy. Those control throughput and reliability. Then run Jet run profile equals prod to start processing. Watch the live logs for errors and throughput metrics. If GPU memory spikes, reduce batch size to 1/2 or 1/4, or switch to CPU mode temporarily. Also use Jet status to inspect queued tasks and requeue failed items. This keeps the pipeline flowing without manual restarts. To finish, validate outputs by checking checksums, schema compliance, and spot-checking sample records so you catch silent errors. Once verified, archive logs and artifacts, then export results as a zip or push to S3 for downstream use. If something breaks, start with the logs. Look for memory errors or timeouts, increase timeout or lower batch size to recover. If issues persist, run Jet diagnose and collect the diagnostic bundle. It reveals configuration mismatches and hardware bottlenecks for targeted fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.